welcome to my channel, Kiddo. Today is a very, very special day. As you can see in front of me, we have our muskmelon. We've had it for 60 days after we planted it, and there seem to be a big size, so I think some are ready. Look at this one. I think he's the one we are going to get out.
Oh yes.
We definitely need to get this out. I can do that. I can turn the edge if you like. There. Whoa. Should I get it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold this.
So muskmelon is usually ready when it comes apart from stem easily without much effort. And this one is very much ready.
I'm very happy with what we have. We could use this for other fruit. And I want to taste it to see if it tastes good. And this is pretty hard. I need your help. Ooh!
Oh, looks juicy. Wow!
It's all over my feet. I really want to try one.
Do you want to hold this? Hold this.
Whoa. It really looks like watermelon when you opened it.
Want to taste?
Yeah, I want to taste it.
The first of our season.
It's delicious. Thanks for watching my enterprise. Bye.